Do you truly believe you are alone in your own body? What if I told you that you carry pieces of your loved ones within you? Not just memories or emotional ties, but actual physical cells. For decades, sometimes for a lifetime. Today, we are diving into a mind-blowing scientific phenomenon. It's called Microchimerism, and it will utterly transform how you see your mother, your children, and even yourself. This isn't just a metaphor for deep connection. This is hard, undeniable science, and it's more powerful than you can possibly imagine. Stay with me, conscious creators, because what you're about to learn will literally redefine what it means to be connected. So, what exactly is microchimerism? It is the presence of a small number of genetically distinct cells within an individual. In simple terms, cells from another person living inside your body. Most commonly, we're talking about mother and child. And everybody has a mother. During pregnancy, cells migrate from the fetus through the placenta and into the mother's body. And guess what? They don't leave after birth. They stay for decades, sometimes for your entire life. Think about that for a moment. A piece of your child literally becomes a part of you forever. This isn't some new age concept. It's a biological fact. The studies on this are truly shocking. Let me give you some concrete examples. Scientists have found cells from sons in the brains of 70-year-old women. Imagine that, decades after giving birth. These cells are still active, are residing in her most vital organ. They've even discovered daughter's cells in the mother's heart 40 years after birth. This isn't just about presence. These cells are not dormant. They are working. They integrate into the mother's organs and take on new functions. It's an incredible biological partnership. And what do these cells do? This is where it gets truly miraculous. They protect the mother. They repair damaged tissue. They even heal the heart after a heart attack. Consider this. A study from the University of Washington showed that in women with breast cancer, researchers found their children's cells right there in the tumors. And these cells, they were actively fighting the cancer, trying to destroy it. Your child's cells, like tiny guardians, protecting you from within. It's an intrinsic defense mechanism rooted in the deepest biological connection. And you know, when a mother says, "I just feel something is wrong with my child," or "I have a gut feeling about them," we often call that intuition, a mother's instinct. But what if it's more than just intuition? What if it's a literal physical connection through these cells? Your body is reacting to the state of your child, even if they are grown adults living in a different city, because their cells are still a part of your body. This isn't just emotional resonance. It's biological resonance. The bond between mother and child. It's not just emotional. It's profoundly biological. It is physical. It is scientifically proven. But here's another layer to this mind-blowing discovery. It's not just the child cells in the mother. It works both ways. Cells from the mother also travel into the child and often stay there for their entire lives. Think about that. We are all walking around, potentially carrying cells of our mothers. And here's where it gets truly wild. Researchers even suggest we might carry cells from our older siblings if they were previously present in the mother's body. It expands our understanding of family beyond anything we previously imagined. You are literally a walking family tree. These fetal cells behave like powerful stem cells when a mother has an injury. These cells actively migrate to that site to aid in healing. For instance, in C-section scars, a higher concentration of fetal cells have been found producing collagen to help repair the wound. In animal studies, fetal cells were observed migrating to damaged heart tissue and transforming into beating heart cells. The child literally helps to mend the mother's heart. This is powerful evidence of a symbiotic relationship on a cellular level. But, like many powerful biological processes, it's a two-edged sword. Evolutionarily, the child benefits from a healthy mother, ensuring its own survival. So, this cellular help is also a biological strategy. Sometimes, through the mother's body, doesn't recognize these foreign cells as friends. There are theories that microchimerism might also contribute to certain autoimmune diseases, like rheumatic arthritis or Hashimoto's, where the body might be fighting these helpful invaders. Yet, there are also incredible protective benefits. One study even suggested women with microchimerism in their brains had a lower risk of developing Alzheimer's disease. These child cells seem to provide a protective function within the mother's brain. Mothers, if your child passes away, a part of them literally stays with you, living on with your body for the rest of your life. And if a mother passes, a piece of her goes with you, her child. This profound connection is not just spiritual or emotional. It is biologically, physically, and scientifically proven. Being a mother is not just a role. It is a permanent biological transformation that lasts forever. This is the ultimate affirmation for our message here at Conscious Creators Lab. Connect your heart, because now we know it's not just a feeling, it's science. So, what are your thoughts on this? Has this revelation changed your perspective? Let me know in the comments below. And if this video resonated with you, please share your like and join our community of conscious creators. And keep exploring the deeper truth of my archive of life, mind, and connection. Until the next time, in the next video, stay conscious.